TeeOnDaTrack.
YouTube, what up? You know what I'm saying? I'm back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, I'm going back on the monkey app and ask girls they want to be my girlfriend. You know, it's Christmas time, so you know I'm trying to be my girlfriend for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go ahead and do this video before I go to work. Bro. I got like 20 minutes, so 10 minutes. Try to do like 10 girls. See what's up on monkey app right now. I'm going to screen record. Start now. Let's see what's up. How you doing? Can't speak?
What?
You can't speak?
It's fine.
I'm gonna shut up. Alright, what's up? How you doing? You smoking at every time real quick.
For sure.
So I got something to ask you off the rip. You trying to be my girlfriend for Christmas?
What you said?
You trying to be my girlfriend for Christmas? You know, it's Christmas time. I need a girlfriend. So
You looking for a girlfriend?
yeah.
Why you want a girlfriend?
It's Christmas time. You know, I want to spoil my girlfriend for Christmas. You know, I've been single for a little minute now.
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like you ain't with it.
No, I'm just asking, like, what you need a girl?
So I need you, really. And I just followed you, huh? I need you, really. You single? Huh? Hey, look, I don't know what the fuck going on. My head is like, I seen a snow bunny. I love my snow bunnies. How you doing? Okay, can you speak? How you doing? Hello?
Hi, sir.
Can you have time? I'm good. How you doing? Can you have time?
Okay. Look.
Where your face at? You cute? You ugly?
I'm ugly, sir. I'm ugly.
Let me see.
I'm telling you, you don't got look.
Alright, look, so you trying to be my girlfriend for Christmas?
No, I'm not.
Damn, that's crazy. You just broke my heart.
Where you from?
Tennessee.
You said who?
I'm from Tennessee.
Oh, for real? That's cool. How that out there?
Yeah, it's cool. At this point, I don't even want to talk because you broke my heart. You know what I'm saying? So.
Oh, damn. Really?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Fuck. Couldn't conversation short. How you doing? Are you looking like that? You said what?
I said, what's up, cutie?
Every time. Every time.
I did.
How old is you?
21.
21. Okay. You trying to be my girlfriend for Christmas? Like, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Just for Christmas.
Yeah, just for Christmas. You know, I'm lonely on Christmas, so I need a girlfriend. You trying to be that?
I feel you. Yeah.
Bet, so I'm gonna follow
How
you.
about we both be your girlfriend?
Oh, I got two of y'all. Bet. I just followed you too. You know what I'm saying?
I just followed you.
So I see you trying to flirt.
Find your boyfriend?
I see you trying to flirt.
Yeah, you daddy.
I'm daddy.
She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.
Hey, that's another video dropping for y'all too. Might be trash, but we gonna get there. We gonna get there.
TeeOnDaTrack.